Ganda ng araw, guys. Dito ngayon sa Valencia. So, we're ready to rock and roll. Bibi is ready as well. And, pack na ng bag. Pupunta kami sa, guys. Pupunta kami sa, where are we going, babe? I forgot.
Oceanographic.
Oceanographic. So,
Aquarium.
mag-enjoy kami doon. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Let's go. Bye. Oh, I forgot my nakalimutan ko yung yung aking card kasi may card kami dito for transport for 3 days.
We're walking.
Yeah, but I need to get my card.
Where is it?
We might need it
Your bag.
later on. Yeah, it's
A few moments later.
Yay! After 10 minutes of looking for this card, nakita rin sa wakas. So, ito yung card, guys, na ginagamit namin dito for our transport. Gamit na gamit ito sa train, sa bus, except sa airplane. Charot. So, we're going now. Bye, guys. See you later. Hindi pala kami pupunta sa Science Museum today kasi ayaw ni Bibi kasi puro lang science. So anyway, ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung anong itsura ng place na pinuntahan namin. Doon si Bibi. Babe! See, it's so nice. Ayan. Ganda. Actually, guys, sinusundan ko lang si Bibi kung saan siya papunta. Siya yung nagplano nitong lahat ng trip na ito. So, ang contribution ko lang sa trip na to ay pa-beauty. Ayan. So, sabi ni Bibi, yan daw yung Science Museum. Pero hindi kami pupunta dyan today. So, ayan. Diba? Para siyang sa Australia. Yung Opera House. Diba? Ito. Tuntua si Bibi sa waterfalls. Ganda dito, guys. Very modern yung atake. Very modern yung atake ng city. Charot. Diba? Hi, babe! Say hi to my vlog. Diba? Super nice.
5 minutes later.
As well.
O, diba? Ang daming alam ni Bibi. Ako wala akong kalam-alam. Okay. Yan, follow the leader lang ako, guys. Ang ganda. Very modern.
Bird.
That's a
Aviary. Look, you can see
aviary.
the birds there.
Do you think they have Philippine eagle there, babe?
No.
So, aviary.
Look, you can see them
Oh,
all
so
there.
beautiful,
They're
babe.
pink.
Are those flamingos?
Yeah, they do have a type of flamingo. They're two flamingo types. Aren't they beautiful? It's
Yeah.
nice that they have a huge one so they can really fly around. Look, there's one.
Oh, it's flying there.
See, you don't even need to buy a ticket. You can just watch that.
Can you go in?
Yeah, we're gonna go in.
So, ito, guys, business building daw ito. Forum Kemal. Ayan. Babe, where are we going to have our breakfast? We still haven't our breakfast.
Oh, and they have a cafe and restaurant in the aquarium. Maybe they have paella there.
Yeah. Kasi guys, hindi pa ako kumakain. Dumiretso na kami dito ni Bibi. Isn't it, babe?
Hmm?
We haven't had breakfast.
No.
Because we're on a diet. Guys, diba?
Oh, so excited.
Excited ang lola niya. Makakita ng beluga whale. Babe,
Yeah, I want to see the beluga whale.
babe, we have a lot of beluga whales in the Philippines.
No, really?
Yeah,
I've never seen one.
yeah. I think they're hiding. Charot lang.
No, they probably go to deep. The deep part.
Kemerot ko lang yun, girls and guys, na may beluga whale tayo. But we do have a lot of crocodiles in the Philippines.
They have crocodile here.
And Australia, they have it. Saltwater crocodiles.
Look at this, it's so...
Very relaxing. So guys, puntahan muna namin yung cafe, ha? And then babalik kami later on. Bye!